Real estate appreciation is the increase in value of property. Dude,
What's up?
I swear we just made this video.
We've made similar videos. We've made a lot of similar videos.
No, I think we've made this video like 10 times. Like why, like it's just a repeat, Ethan, of everything that we always do.
I mean, you've made almost 4,000 videos and it's real estate. There's not a lot more we could talk about real estate, you know.
I don't think I want to do this anymore. 4,000 videos, like I'm tired of being an educator. Like the only thing that matters is when people actually take action. Dude, they can get their information for free on Wiki. They can pick it up from someone else. Like I'm just sick and tired of just sharing the same bullshit over and over and over again.
So what do you want to do? What do you want to do, Kris? Tell me what you want and I'll make it happen.
I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be an educator anymore. I want to help someone make money. Like I want to do mentorship. I just don't want to teach information. I want someone to actually go and do it, like invest in real estate. I want to take them by the hand. Like that's real. That's exciting.
Okay. No, we can do that. You want to show like step by step on video someone making.
I want you to go get me some candidates. I want you to go to our database and I want you to go email a bunch of people and find someone that actually wants to be shown how to do real estate.
Yeah, I can do that.
I'm done with this.
Okay. We'll get some people together and we'll find you someone to mentor.
Right.
Josh, you can cut. I don't think we're filming today.
My name is Kris Krohn, and over the last decade, I have created over 3,900 educational videos showing you everything I know about the game of finance, real estate, and business. And as of this very moment, I am done. Like, I'm not making any more educational videos this way ever again. Because the reality is I've been reading the comments and I hear you. What you're saying is, don't teach me, show me. So from this moment moving forward, I'm not making educational videos. I'm going to start selecting apprentices, students that I can take under my wing where I'll be the mentor and I will show them step by step exactly what they need to do to make their first $1 million in the game of real estate. For those of you who have not been following me or you're just starting to, my name is Kris Krohn and I became financially independent at the age of 26. Since then, I've become the #1 single-family real estate investor. I've transacted over 6,500 single-family homes. That's over $2 billion in the game of real estate. And I've partnered with over 2,000 people that found me on social media to help them build their real estate portfolio to follow my journey of becoming financially free. I own hundreds of businesses, I'm a best-selling author, and I've written 5 books. I've hosted over 1,000 events, and I've spoken on some of the largest stages in the country. The thing I love most is encapsulated perfectly in my foundation, where we're constantly saving lives around the world through various mission efforts. My team and I have been to Ukraine 3 times to rescue people on the front lines. We've rescued kids from sex trafficking in Guatemala. Today, my mission is to help you unlock your full potential, achieve financial freedom, and live a life without limits. That's why I'm starting this journey, a journey where I'm going to take someone and start them from nothing and then make them a millionaire. I'm going to show you every step along the way so that you can follow along and become a millionaire yourself. Now here's how we're kicking off the journey. I've instructed my team to go to my database and email a bunch of people saying, who wants to be mentored by Kris Krohn? And today I'm going to be meeting several of the candidates. And today I'm hoping to pick the one that I'm going to be their mentor and I'm going to show them how to make that first $1 million. Stacy, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, have a seat.
Good.
Thank you for responding to the email.
Thank you for having me here.
It's Yosepa?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, it is.
Come on in and have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. So you got a mysterious email.
Yes.
And responded. Yeah, why did you respond?
I think the opportunity to be mentored by you would just be life-changing for me. I love and appreciate everything that you do for everybody around you.
Why did you respond?
Honestly, just because of you. I just want to learn so much from you. And I mean, I've followed your career and all your success. And I mean, with me and my family, that's the path that I want to take too. I just want to be successful.
You've been a realtor?
Yes, I have 23 years.
23 years. So you kind of get the game of real estate. Have you ever done any investing?
I do. I have a couple properties right now.
Okay, so you've been building your assets a little bit?
Definitely.
So what do you got going on for yourself? You got a job? Like, have you started investing? Are you starting from ground floor?
Starting from the ground floor, honestly. I just have a job right now, and It just provides for what I need currently, but doesn't provide me and set me up for the future.
Okay,
which is
got
what I
it.
need.
Would you say it's going well and you love it and you wish you had more, or do you feel like it's not going so great?
I love it. I just don't know that I'm choosing the right properties.
Okay. You doing it mostly just local in your backyard?
Yes.
All right. And why real estate?
I have a lot of family in real estate,
Okay.
and they do very well, but I know like they have success, but not the kind of success that you have. And so I would rather follow you than follow them.
Do you feel like you're teachable and open-minded?
Definitely.
So if I ask you to do some really uncomfortable things, like I want you to outbound and dial 100 strangers because we're looking for a good deal for making money on, how would you feel about a challenge like that?
I would take it head on. I mean, if that's what it took to be successful and to be just like you and more, then I would do it.
Because the reality is building wealth is really about releasing certain things. Sometimes we have to let something die to make room for something new. And in the game of finance, I don't like to get attached to my assets because by the time I get attached, I'm gonna swap it for more. And it's like the game of Monopoly or Bigger and Better, where I'm gonna trade one home for two, and I'm gonna trade 2 for 5 and trade 5 for 10. If you like a handful of homes, my goal would be to help you own dozens.
Yeah, I love that.
Why?
Because the ones I have right now aren't paying off, and so it's not really something that I know is beneficial long term. That was the point of buying the properties, is to help me grow it, and they're just kind of stagnant right now.
Got it? How would I know that you're the right person to pick?
That's a great question. I don't know, honestly. I think just being around me and feeling my energy, I think that's the only way that you can know.
All right. Well, I think that's what I need. Stacy, I appreciate it. Yosepa, thank you for coming in.
Thank
Great
you for your
to
time.
meet you and get to know you.
Yes,
Thank you.
of course.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
All right. We'll be in touch.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right. All right, guys, we're almost done for the day. Who do we got next?
We got Larry.
Larry. Can you call Larry in?
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
What are you doing here?
Just checking to see how the interviews are going.
Well, I'm supposed to meet with a Larry right now.
I don't think Larry's coming. Or maybe Larry's already here.
Bro, you're the CEO of my company. I'm interviewing people
Yeah.
for a brand new YouTube series, and I'm looking for someone to mentor.
I know.
What are you doing here?
I got the email. Yes! You brought a camera. Thank you, Ethan, for coming down here. But I needed your take on something, okay? Because I'm not sure what to do in this situation. Well, I got that email recently where Kris is talking about bringing on an apprentice and how he's vetting people, and I almost deleted the email. Well, that fake email account that comes to me that I used but I put real answers in the form, it got selected for the next level. It got chosen to be one of the 3 interviewees that Kris is doing, only it's not with my name. So Kris isn't expecting me, but I wanted to know your thoughts. Should I tell Kris? I kind of want to just show up and be one of the interviewees and see Kris's reaction.
Yeah, I would just show up as whoever's name you put down and then see if he picks you.
I was kind of thinking about doing that. But I think I'm going to try it. If you guys are okay with it, I'm going to try it.
Yeah.
Okay? I just got nervous. I got the email.
Okay.
And kind of as a joke, I started filling it out for Larry. But then as I was answering your questions, I kind of like went to heart and answered them like as honest as I could, just to see what happened. And I got picked to be here today. And I was gonna tell you and be like, let's go pick someone else.
I've got some great candidates.
I'm sure you do. But I truly believe, Kris, that I actually deserve a shot to be your apprentice.
Why should I pick you?
Anybody could walk in here, Kris, and be like, oh, I'm gonna do this, or I'm excited about this, or I've done this and that. But it's all just statements. And I know this is like a huge unfair advantage because you've worked with me for years. But you know the difference between me and everyone else. I started out as your video editor, Kris, and it wasn't because I convinced you in an interview or something like that. It's because I showed you what I was willing to do. And I gotta be honest, Kris, I've learned a lot about real estate over the years. But most of my focus has been on helping run the business, doing the marketing, helping with sales. And if you were to ask me, what do I actually know about real estate? Not a lot. I just lean on you and Tyler. And I'm ready to actually learn how to do real estate for myself.
Do you know how hard this journey is going to be? Because I'm going to ask you to do really hard, ridiculous things and make crazy financial moves and sell stuff you don't want to. Like, do you get how hard this is going to be?
Kris, I have to learn this stuff. And not learn just by listening to you and nodding my head at an event and being like, oh, that's interesting, and be able to regurgitate some facts. I need to learn this stuff so that no matter what happens in the future, I can produce wealth for me and my family on my own.
And do whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
What is your least favorite vegetable? Like the one that you hate and do not want to eat.
Did you ask the other candidates this?
No, just you.
Sugar snap peas. I hate them. They taste like vomit.
All right.
To me, fresh, out of the garden, hate them.
Across the street, that's the Provo River. It's probably 30 degrees right now. It's all the runoff from the snow. I'm going to give you 12 minutes. I want you to run to Macy's. I want you to buy the biggest bag of sugar snap peas. I want you to sit at least waist deep in the river and not get out until you finish the entire bag and get here in 12 minutes.
Is this real?
Go.
Is this real?
Go. In 44 seconds. Oh my gosh. You're getting everything wet. Okay, go find a towel. You did it. Go find a towel.
Here's the evidence.
At least you didn't litter. Jeez, I hate sugar snap peas.
What's up? How'd I do?
I think you're my kind of crazy.
Oh, I hope so.
So what do you want?
For you to show me how to do real estate for real.
Can you maintain this, Carson, the whole time?
Whole time.
No matter what I ask?
No matter what. You want me to go jump in the river again?
No, I'm going to challenge you, and I'm going to ask you to hard things, and your wife's not always going to probably be on the same page, and I'm going to ask you to do hard things.
What I can promise is that I will do 100%. Leave nothing on the table.
Okay.
We doing this?
I think I want to give you a shot.
Okay, so what does that mean?
Monday morning, 9 a.m. Be here.
Okay. Do I need to have anything prepared?
Go get dry.
9 a.m.
All right.
It's gonna be good.
We'll see. I was ready to be done with YouTube. I think for me, it all came down to those interviews. Like, could I find someone? And I really like Stacy, but then Carson, I think he's willing to do just about anything to have this. I get the comment online all the time. It's like, yeah, you can make millions of dollars if you have $1 million. But then they always ask, how do I get the $1 million? Well, the journey to the $1 million starts now.